It is very common for people to buy a new battery when it is not needed. The reason for this is that when a car does not start because of a dead battery, it seems like the logical thing to do. Just buy a new battery, which may or may not be the solution. Sometimes it's just a bad alternator that it will eventually run down, so that causes a good battery to run down from not being charged. Without an alternator charging, the battery will run down from just driving, as the car needs battery power to run electronics, spark plugs, radio, lights, or whatever else. And if the battery is not being recharged as you're driving, it will fail to start the car, or even run at all. So instead of buying a new battery and finding out later that you still have the same problems, you want to check to see if the alternator is working. There are several ways to check an alternator, but the easiest and quickest way, without using any tools, is just simply do a quick check that I'm going to show you right now. First, you need to be able to start your car. So if your battery is run down, you will need to jump it or use the charger to get it started. Once the car is started, it's very easy to see if your alternator is working. After your car is started, you will need to disconnect the charger or jump cables if you use them. If your car dies after this, then that means your alternator is not working or has a bad connection, and your battery is also dead or has a bad connection, because a car can run with just an alternator or just a good battery. If this is the case, your battery still might be okay. It could just be run down from the alternator not working. Once your car is started, you can observe your headlights to see if your alternator is working. Most car lights will get brighter when you increase the RPM if the alternator is working, but all cars' lights will get brighter after you start the car and dimmer after your car is shut down if the alternator is working. If you do not have any help, then you can simply drive up to a wall and look at the reflection. If the lights get brighter, then the alternator is working. You will also notice the lights get dimmer when the engine is shut off. If there is not a wall handy, then you can observe the dome light and see if it gets brighter and then dimmer when you shut the car off. I hope this video helped you, and I hope that you liked it enough to subscribe, as subscribing would be a big help to us, so you'll be able to easily find my other upcoming videos on helpful subjects. And don't forget to click on the thumbs up if you liked the video, and thanks for watching.